This is the Chevrolet Corvette C06. Under the hood, a 5.5-liter flat plane crank V8 producing 670 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.6 seconds, with a top speed of around 196 mph. This trim features carbon ceramic brakes, aerodynamic carbon fiber elements, and magnetic ride suspension. Starting price $112,000. Here's the Corvette Stingray, the entry-level version of the C8 generation. Powered by a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 with 495 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.0 seconds, and a top speed near 183 mph. This model comes with the 3LT trim and Z51 Performance Package upgraded cooling, sport suspension, and active exhaust. Starting price $70,000. The 3LT Stingray interior wraps around the driver premium napa leather. Digital cluster, Bose audio, and carbon fiber accents bring true supercar atmosphere. The Chevrolet Trailblazer Activ is a compact crossover with off-road flair. It packs a 1.3-liter turbo engine with 155 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and 200 millimeters of ground clearance. Inside, an 11-inch display, heated seats, and rugged all-terrain tires. Cargo space? Up to 716 liters with the seats folded. Starting at $28,000, it undercuts the Hyundai Kona AWD, which offers more power but less space and ground clearance. Trailblazer Active Bold Style will adventure.
As well as inside over there in Electric Avenue. So let's meet our players here with our EV family. Our very first Blazer EV in the middle. Our very first.
The Chevrolet Equinox is a compact SUV with a 1.5-liter turbo engine delivering 175 horsepower and available all-wheel drive. Inside, it offers an 11-inch touchscreen, wireless CarPlay, and up to 1,800 liters of cargo space. Starting at $27,000. It's a smart everyday choice. This is the Silverado EV RST, an all-electric pickup with dual motors. 754 horsepower and over 0.60 Nm of torque. 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. With a range up to 640 kilometers. It features adaptive air suspension, a 17-inch touchscreen, and a premium interior. Priced around $96,000, it's a glimpse into the future of trucks now.
And you are able to have use it, and then a little bit more miles, of course, if you have the front-wheel drive model. That will be here, our very first electric. Now this one is a front-wheel drive.
The Chevrolet Traverse is a full-size 7-passenger SUV. A new 2.5-liter turbo engine puts out 328 horsepower, paired with all-wheel drive and a smooth ride. 3 rows of seating, a 17.7-inch display, adaptive cruise control, and up to 2,780 liters of cargo space. Starting at $39,000, the Traverse combines power, comfort, and capacity. Yes, Chinese SUVs are cheaper but often fall short in safety, support, and long-term reliability. Chevrolet vehicles meet top US and European safety standards, have trusted electronics, and strong resale value. You're not just paying for a car, you're paying for confidence on the road.